You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase, this name from French cuisine. By the way, if you want to learn how to pronounce correctly more French food names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. I'll link to a few at the end of this video. So this is the plural, but it's pronounced exactly the same as singular, at least in French. It's pronounced petits fours. So because it's plural, you add s's to the two words. Petit is French for small. It's not petite, it's petit. It's not petites or petites. Petits, no tits there. Petit four, petit four. Again, the S is silent to four, all right? When you have several of them, and you always have several of them, right? It's those little bites. It's petit four. Petit four is the French pronunciation. In English, the pronunciation petit four. Petit four, not petits fours, petit four. And yes, now you know that the S's are all silent. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.